In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini AI directly in Gmail to help you craft a message or reply to a message directly on your Gmail platform. And here's how you can do that. So the first thing that you need to do is that you have to be in the Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra Plan subscription, and that is necessary to enable Gemini on various Google products. But if you don't want to pay, there is another alternative that you can try, which is by joining the Google Workspace Labs program. So this is completely free. You just need to navigate to this URL, and the link is available in the video description. And then you can sign up using your Google or Gmail account, and after that you should be able to access various AI features from Google in many Google platforms like the Gmail, Google Docs, Google Slides, etc. And after that, after you have signed up to either Google AI Pro or Ultra, or maybe sign up to Google Workspace Labs program, let's navigate to gemini.google.com, or you can also use the app version on your mobile phone. But basically, you want to navigate to settings and help, and then go to the apps menu right here, and be sure that Google Workspace is enabled on Gemini. So this will give you access to Gemini directly on platforms like Gmail, Calendar, Google Docs, etc. It is very much necessary. Now, after that, you can go to Gmail. You can also use the mobile app version, because that feature, the Gemini feature, is also available there. And here, let me show you how you can craft a new message with the help of Gemini in Gmail, and then later I'll show you how you can do the same but for replying to an email message. So the first thing that you need to do is that you have to compose a new message, and then you can write the recipient email, the subject, etc. And here, naturally, there's going to be the option to help you write with the power of AI. You can use this keyboard shortcut Alt+H, or you can also just click this button, and then you can tell AI about what is the message that you are trying to create. In this case, I want to create a message about, let's say, a message about thank you for sending the business proposal. Something like that, and then you can click create. Just a simple message, and if you're not happy with the result, you can click the recreate button, and it will craft a new version of email. But in this case, it's very simple. But if you're making the prompt to be more specific, usually it will give you much more variation, but I think this is okay. And if you want to refine the email, you can click this button, and you can make it formalize, elaborate, shorten, etc. And there is also the option to use a different prompt or instruction. Like, for example, I want to make the message to be in Spanish and much longer. Hit enter, and it will turn the message to be a lot longer. And of course, now it is in the Espanol language. There you go. And if you're happy with the result, you can click insert, and you can maybe do some customization. So you want to change a few names or the name of the company, etc. And then you can send the message as normal. Now, how about replying to a message? Well, it's quite simple. Let me close this first. Now, let's say I'm going to be replying to this message. There is someone, actually, it's just me sending email to myself, and there is the business opportunity, collaboration opportunity, stuff like that. And if you want to reply to the message quickly, you can click reply. And of course, we want to use the same feature again. You can click this button, and you can tell, let's say, you are interested or not interested. Let's say I'm not interested. I'm going to write it. I'm not interested. And I want to make the message to be a bit more harsh, like go away. But of course, since this is email, it's gonna be more formalized, more it's not going to give you some harsh message, but it's going to sound very professional. And there you go. So this is the message according to my prompt, my request basically. And as usual, you can recreate, you can refine, and then do all sort of things. And you can click insert if you're happy with the result. And by the way, there is also the Gemini shortcut right here. This is actually a chat window where you can discuss with Gemini, and you can access various gems from Gemini right here. This is something that I covered on my previous video. You can check it out. But this is just some more elaborate version of Gemini. If you want to have a chat or discussion, or you want to ask Gemini to summarize this email, you can use this feature. So that's basically how you can use Gemini to reply or to create a new message directly on your Gmail account. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.